Hi there. Today I will talk with you about how to play the alphabet and knowledge wheel. With these two rotation disc panels, you can enhance the literacy skills and strengthen the creativity of your target group. The only thing you need to play this game is the alphabet wheel, which you see over here, and the knowledge wheel. You attach them to the mobile school and you're ready to go. Now let's have a look how to play this activity. First of all, you will spin the alphabet wheel and it will land on a specific letter. For example, I spin over here and it will land on an R. So you see all the letters of the alphabet which are situated around the rotation disc. Then, next, you'll also spin the knowledge wheel. And on the knowledge wheel, you will see that there are different categories, different topics that are situated around a circle. For example, you'll see transport, public transport over here. You see different professions over here. You see animals, you see geography. So you need to combine the letter with an object of that specific topic. So I spin the first disc, I got an R. Right now I spin the second one. I land on the category of names, for example. So I need to find a name with the letter R, which can be, for example, Rob. If that answer is correct, I get 1 point and the next player can take his turn. So you spin again, it lands on B, for example. I spin the disc again, it lands on transportation. So I need to find a means of public transport with a B, which can be, for example, a bus. So a very easy activity to do with one or with more children. Of course, there are also a couple of variations that you can do. And on the alphabet wheel, you see that in the background there are different colors. You see the orange over here with the megaphone, which is giving your opinion. You see you need to look, search and look for something in the green over here. The blue means draw something, and the green one in the left-hand corner means act something out or make a song about it. So then you can play a variation. For example, you spin the disc, it lands on the letter T, and you spin again, it lands on the blue one, so you need to draw something with the letter T. If you want, of course, you can always add the knowledge wheel as well to make it a little bit more advanced. Of course, all of this depending on the target group you work with. You can think of more combinations yourself, but this is the basic activity you can do with the alphabet wheel and the knowledge wheel. Feel free to test it out on the streets and let us know what you think about it. Hope to see you very soon.